So, do you have any suggestion to get into the fashion industry?
Yes, so if you want to get into the fashion industry professionally, you need to have your work already done. The most important thing is you not only have to be creative, be good at what you're doing, you have to have your work in front of the right people. So to get that going, you can, as a fashion designer, for example, you can show your case at Start Up Fashion Week, which is coming up right away. We also have Fashion Art Toronto, and then of course there Toronto Fashion Week. And there are also a lot of fashion events around, but these things is also important. If you can just reach to that market, you can also get your stuff on social media. So you have Facebook, you have Instagram. But the most important thing to get your work to the next level really is to have the right people see it, right? So you have make sure you have like the buyer or like somebody who influencing in decision making in the fashion or film industry, and that's where the ultimate project come in. So the ultimate project, we try to bring basically VIP of the fashion industry. So we have the art, fashion, magazine industry, and retail, and then we also have the film, TV, custom fashion industry. So we combine these two, and we basically offering a showcase, a ground for the people who already working in them and move to the next level, to have them showcase their creativity in front of people who able to help them bring them to more work or to the next level. And that one of the best way to get your work to the next level, to be able to get into your creative field. So that could be your photography, that could be your model, that could be the stylist working, that could be the fashion designer or the makeup artist. And all the basic of the ultimate is that when you get hired for a job, you have a brief. So this is what the client wants. And then on the set of ultimate battle, you literally have a quick 15 minutes for makeup artist to redo the face. You have a model. When you go for a job in real life, you literally just have one runway from the one end to the other to impress the people who will cast you. For the designer, for example, you have to think on spot, because you can do work on movie set, and then the director doesn't like what you see, so you have to change everything within half an hour. You also have the photographer who need to do retouch. So all these little things, that's what the ultimate fashion is about.